Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is Mail Call. This is Sunday, July 7th, 2019. I hope this video is finding everybody doing well today. Today I have two packages that I have received, and I would like to share them with you. They are things that I have won in giveaways, but I wanted to come on and share with you. The first one is from Young4040 Mom Crafts. She is someone that has been in the YouTube community for quite a long time. She has been away from YouTube for a while with life and having to do other things, but she has come back and she wants to get restarted on YouTube again. And like I said, she's been on probably about as long as I have. So she has been in the YouTube community for quite a while. And I know a lot of you know who she is. And for those that don't, please go over and support her. She is doing giveaways once a month. She is destashing. And so she is using her destash in giveaways. So go check her out, show her some love, and make her feel welcomed back into the community. So anyway, this is what I won. It's a Bucilla lap quilt. It is stamped, but I haven't really done anything stamped, but I really love the quilt. Very, very pretty quilt. So I can't wait to do it. It is a 45 inch by 45 inches, so it's a nice size. I just love I love these, like that butterfly right there, the color, beautiful. And this one up here, really, really pretty. And it's 50% polyester, 50% cotton. So I cannot wait to get started on these. I think I am going to have to get the floss. There is no floss in here, but I think that's normal. So, but anyway, so this is one of my wins, and that's from Young40 Mom Crafts. Tell her, if you go over there, tell her Sonia sent you over. catcrazycreations sent you. Okay, and the last one that I want to show is from Kim, who was Metal Scrap and Chick. She had a giveaway. And she sent me some extras. It's a card kit. Oscar. So cute. So cute. And then she sent me these bird bookmarks. How perfect is that? And this comes with the floss. I guess they all come. Yeah. This comes with the floss as well. And then there's the back of the card. Really pretty. And then here's these colors. Aren't those beautiful? So, those are just extras. And then she had two giveaways actually. So I won this one. It's bird stickers. Let me see if I can, I'm trying to, yeah, there we go. All these bird stickers, these will go great in my scrapbook album on my pages. I really love that one. Look at that peacock. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Let me see, what else? Now there's the eagle. So I won those. And then I want a Bucilla counted cross stitch, Celestial Angel. Everything is included. I love that. So pretty. It has been opened. She was going to work on it, but the floss got the best of her. So she decided to give it away. But so pretty. Thank you so much, Kim, for the kit. So thank you both so much. I appreciate them. I love everything that I got. Like I said, I can't wait to try out the stamped cross stitch. I've never done that before, so that's going to be kind of interesting, I think. So I will let everybody know how that goes. But anyway, that's all I have for this time. I just wanted to share the 2 packages that I got. And anyway, yes, go check out Metal Scrap and Chick on YouTube as well. Send her some love her way. Subscribe to her channel. Tell her Cat Crazy Creations sent you her way. She does paper crafting. She does do cross stitch. And she has been on for quite a while on YouTube as well. And she also does crochet. So there is something for everyone on her channel as well. And also to remember to go check out Young 40 Mom Crafts on YouTube as well. These are both people that have been on for a long time. Please go show them some love. Tell them Cat Crazy Creations sent you. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing my videos. If you're new, welcome. I hope you found something that you enjoyed in my video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it, and that will let you know of any future videos like this or any of the other videos that I do. That will let you know when they are up and ready to view. So anyway, everybody take care and have a great week.